Welcome to this technical guide on the PS5 Black Controller. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your PS5 Black Controller has stopped responding during gameplay, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to a number of reasons, such as a dead battery, faulty connections, or even software glitches. If left unresolved, it can lead to a frustrating gaming experience and potentially more severe damage to your controller. To tackle this issue, you'll need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement battery if needed, and a soft cloth to keep everything clean. Now, let's move on to the repair steps. First, ensure your controller is powered off. Using the plastic opening tool, gently pry open the controller's casing. Start at the seam and work your way around carefully to avoid damaging the clips. Once you have access to the inside, locate the battery and check its connections. A common fault is a loose wire or a battery that needs replacing. If you're replacing the battery, gently disconnect the wires and remove the old battery. Take your new battery and connect it properly, ensuring the wires are secure. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this can damage the nearby components. After replacing the battery, check for any signs of damage to the circuit board. If everything looks good, carefully reassemble the controller by aligning the clips and pressing the casing back together. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the controller is reassembled, turn it on and test its functionality to ensure everything is working as it should. To prevent this issue from happening again, make sure to keep your controller clean and avoid exposing it to liquids. Regularly check the battery and connections for any signs of wear and tear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.